In this video, I'll show you the best way to transfer Amazon Pay balance to your bank account. To begin, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that has the Amazon Pay balance. Once the app opens, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the Pay option, which indicates Amazon Pay. This will take you directly to your Amazon Pay homepage, where you can see rewards, offers, and different payment sections. On the Amazon Pay homepage, look for the balance option, just like shown on the screen. Tap on it, and this will open a new page showing your current Amazon Pay balance. This balance may come from refunds, cashback, or previous transactions. Now, scroll down slightly on this page until you reach the Wallet section. In the Wallet section, tap on Send Money. This will take you to another screen where you'll see different transfer options. From the options available, select Self-Transfer. This option allows you to move money directly from your Amazon Pay wallet to your linked bank account. Once you tap on Self-Transfer, you're almost done with the process. On the next page, if you haven't added your bank account before, you'll see an option that says Add Bank Account. Tap on it and carefully enter your bank details, including your account number, IFSC code, and account holder name. Make sure all the details are correct to avoid any transfer issues. If your bank account is already linked, like in my case, simply select the bank account you want to use and tap on Continue. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer from your Amazon Pay balance. You can choose to transfer the full balance or just a portion of it. Once you've entered the amount, tap on Continue again. On the confirmation screen, make sure the selected payment method is set to Amazon Pay wallet. This is important because the money is being deducted directly from your Amazon Pay balance. Once everything looks correct, tap on the Pay button to confirm the transfer. After confirming, you'll see a success message on the screen, which means your transfer has been completed successfully. The time it takes for the money to reflect in your bank account depends on your bank, but in most cases, it's processed within a few hours or by the next business day. You can always check the status of the transfer in your Amazon Pay transaction history. If the transfer doesn't go through, double-check your bank details and make sure your Amazon account is fully verified, since incomplete verification can sometimes block transfers. When accessing financial apps and making wallet transfers, especially on public or shared networks, keeping your connection secure is important. NordVPN can help protect your data and keep your connection private. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.